Yes, it was here for my science so Ababio me girl how I carry him and I say na dey be me promise no me promise say me dem because social media me konenam nenam ho a story a air train di bia just a air train di bia me ka kotam na me dia be hoki mu nti say na me kan no na me guso a me di me boshe no so my science ko social media and I me hu say Shatta Wale air trend because o troi shades bi ama nkofo bi o social media enya asem ketewa na just say after Singaton we di anhwe na Shatta na obeli di trend no cause mo amunim that I start here wonjaye back to back sir. Now I don't know say December a violence mood dia na say violence bi hye corners but Singaton ninti no entimi ampagya sa as de bia na efu asanto na ewe ninti no nkofo bebre a choke violence na kakra cause you say if you're Nelson ebetro street kakra bi ase opeso no opeso ni sa akode nto kwa bi sense start bi but that's for another day ebetro but and the part dey metina ha say no Shatta Wale ntina ma betina say ai or ne nkofo bi enya issues chese enya asem keto according to him no there are certain people in the music industry we say ye yi omu fi ho ye yi omu fi media space ni mo the music industry will grow. That is what he's trying to say. Just say nkofo no wo ho ntino in a Ghana music industry na ntimi ndru level be we say ndru but if these people should be out of the way omu fi media ni mo both TV any radio wherever media be if you should take these people out of it there he believes say music industry and as a creative industry at large a beko nenim pa so these are the people or be mention within our Facebook and also the on the one about within style baby or say first person Akwasi Aboagye wabo ni din say onu so o kankofo na ase omo mboa industry no next person and the Dusty Arnold Ola Michael actually Mr. Logic Bulldog, Sally, any Abeku Santana. I or chese sankofo we ya wabubo mudini na. They are the reason why our music industry need to meet that. Into ye yo muni na fit TV so we should take them off television any radio. Ye yo mufi on kwadia the music industry will go na obubo mudini ye no. That's not the only thing. Caption or signs so they can't just say they are pained. They have no sense of creativity. Disappointed celebrities. And as or chemwa, a disappointed celebrity. They speak out of pain as a niemo moon, normal beck can't just say, hey, Jata, I easy. So this is the trend as you see in Kofo air cannot post here no one moon Shatta fans. This is Shatta and Kawi on Barbe jumping. So a lot of people mark comments, I be more Kase Shatta the oyen and one or cause me and the fan. They agree to whatever Shatta Wale will do. And they boom so disagree, say, oh, Dean way dear in the kind of they can't cause this person is not part will be defending Bulldog. Oh, would I be Bulldog the on Tessa? Will be able to defend their just say people are defending their favorites online. Comments now say into any wow favorite home no one could defend them, but this is what Shatta Wale is saying. Not just go for women na ye mufima the industry will go. Now obobo women na nobody has come out to react except Mr. Logic pen on no about Bontia post and this is what he posted. I say when I start with you, you will run to police. I know you with some laughing emojis. No, say Mr. Rich and paranoid. Leave poor people alone, please. And also today crying emojis. Sorry, praying emojis. At on China, say Mr. Logic they are not there. Watch chest bomb now. Shatta Wale throw also on the very reply and he's saying that if he starts with Shatta Wale will run to police and just only to see and we do police so to see and I also Shatta Wale. So this is the update and kindly there nobody has reacted yet, nobody has replied into your name so be reply and after Mr. Logic ni post no so Shatta has not said anything yet. Into yenim so beja or wha ma trend na die and I say Shatta will come and react. But a lot of SM fans when the almost share pass Shatta will come and reply Mr. Logic. But Arnold ne and the Dusty ni Akwasi Aboagye Ola Bulldog Sally na Abeku Santana they have not said anything about post na Shatta Wale at the buy. So until then the post bank quadia midini na able who give me. So yes, this is what is trending on social media. I'll bring you more just right here in Sem Ghana and Sem ne dear Missy Jai midi be brain ever. My name is Hawa Karim and I am out of here.